Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy the Coinbase with the PayPal. It is a very simple and easy process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the Coinbase app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, you will see something like this on your home page. Now, to buy with the PayPal, you need to first add the payment method of PayPal. Now, tap onto the dot lines at the top left corner right here. Then, here you can find the option of Profile and Settings. Simply tap on it. Then, here you can find the option of Add a Payment Method. Now simply tap on it. And here is the thing. If the action is not supported in a region or area, you will see something like this. And if it is supported, you will see the payment method and you can simply add the PayPal account. And that's it. This is how you can buy the Coinbase with the PayPal account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.